The final element of each session is the Ayeka email rotation, possibly the most important element of the whole seminar. After the session, you, the facilitator, need to compile an email list of all the participants, and you will send them an email on the next day. You will assign each person a day. If you have 6 people in the group, you have one Monday, you have Tuesday, you have Wednesday, you have Thursday. If you have 12 people, then 2 people each day. And what did they do? On their day, they press the reply all button and send an email to everyone in the group with a thought, a reflection, an experience stemming from the session that we just had. Why are we doing this? We wanted to avoid Ayeka being a session, break for a week, and another session. Everything will disappear during that time. Instead, we have a session, bringing it into our lives, so when we come together for the next session, the group, in fact, is closer, more bonded, and more cohered. People will open themselves up in the emails very differently than they do during a session. Someone who is quiet, maybe not saying a word during the session, will begin to talk at length in an email, maybe send a poem, reflections, thoughts. People will get to know a different side of themselves and of each other during this week. So it's crucially important for you, facilitator, not to let this email slide. Make sure everybody writes. If no one has anything to say, then you can write on your day, I'm taking a pass, but I'm still here, but I'm not writing. What are the rules for the email rotation? Safe space. So therefore, no replying to what anybody says. If people write on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and you don't say anything, and then on Thursday you reply and say, that was so interesting what you wrote, well, what is everyone else going to think about what they wrote? So no replying to the group email, safe space. If you want to reply, so send an individual email just to the person who wrote that. You will find that the group will bond, cohere, and you'll learn new things about each other, so that by the time the next session comes, you'll be like this.